Okay, so for this problem, it wants us to fill in this table, given our f of x is 3x plus 7, and we're going to plot these points. So we're going to start with all these x values over here, -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2. We're going to get some f of x values, and f of x is going to be our y, and then we're going to plot them using these points here. All right, so let's start by plugging in -2. F of -2 is going to be 3 times -2 plus 7, which is -6 plus 7, which is 1. So f of -2 is equal to 1, and we get the point -2, 1. All right, then f of -1, we get 3 times -1, plus 7, which is -3 plus 7, which is +4. So f of -1 is equal to +4, and our point is the point -1, 4. Now we're going to plug in 0. F of 0 is equal to 3 times 0 plus 7, which is 0 plus 7, which is just 7. So f of 0 equals 7, and we get the point 0, 7. Then we do the same thing for 1, and we get 3 times 1 plus 7 is 3 plus 7, which is 10. So f of 1 is equal to 10, and we get the point 1, 10. And then we do for our last one, f of 2 is equal to 3 times 2 plus 7, which is 6 plus 7, which is 13. So f of 2 is equal to 13, and we get the point 2, 13. All right, now when we plot these, we go to our x value, -2, 1 is right here. This is the point -2, 1, which was our first one right here. Our next one, we go to our x value, -1, and then go to our y value, which was 4. It's right here, -1, 4. And then the rest of these kind of go off my little chart. I don't have all the points here. So 0 goes to 7, which would be like up here, right here, 0, 7. 1 goes to 10, so it's way up here. It's probably like right here, 10. And then 2 goes up to 13, so it's about right there, 2, 13. I'm sorry my graph doesn't go all the way up, but this is kind of the idea. You go from your x value, so we started at -2, and then we went to 1. We had 1, and we went to 4. -1, we went to 4. 0, we went all the way up to 7. 1, we went all the way up to 10. Oh, kind of went off there. 1 went up to 10. Oops. So that's the idea. We have our x values and our y values, and we plot them like that.